Ready to begin your volunteer adventure? Once you've chosen where to volunteer, just follow these simple steps to get started.
Submitting an application is quick, easy and free. Just head to our website and click Apply. Alternatively, our groups team can create a group for you in our system. Simply fill out the booking form link below, and we will send you an invitation to apply. Once your group is set up, you can invite others directly or share your participants' details with us and we will handle the rest.
To confirm your place, pay the registration fee as soon as possible, but at least 90 days before your program starts, as capacity can be limited. This fee secures your spot on the program and unlocks access to our online platform, where you'll find everything you need to prepare, such as a detailed program guide, online volunteer training, and more. We'll dive deeper into these resources in our next video.
At least 60 days before your program begins, it's time to pay the program fee. This covers all of the in-country services we've agreed on, such as your accommodation, meals, airport transfers, local transport, and excursions, along with your program orientation, placement organization, and 24/7 local team support.
Want to make your trip even more memorable? Customize your experience with add-ons, like tours or cultural activities, private room upgrades, or extra nights of accommodation. You'll have the option to purchase a comprehensive travel insurance policy as well.
Pay your fees securely through our platform using a credit or debit card, or request an invoice by wire transfer. We are happy to help.
Check the video description for all the supporting links you need. And remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.